So in this question, you had to take from these three words listed, and you needed to figure out which two of them correctly filled in the spots in the sentences. So it's saying viruses need a blank cell to reproduce. A bacteriophage is a virus that infects bacterial cells. The bacteriophage reproductive cycle is similar to the reproductive cycle of the influenza or flu virus. The flu is a virus that acts quickly and makes a person sick for a short period of time. This type of virus uses the blank cycle to reproduce. So I added in this picture to help us just remember some stuff about viruses. So this is a bacteriophage virus, and here we can see it is attaching onto a host cell. Remember that the only way a virus can reproduce or replicate is by infecting a host cell. So they will inject their genetic material, their DNA or RNA, into the host cell, and it basically takes over the host cell and tells it to start building new viruses. So that's how a virus reproduces, but it has to have that host cell. Now there's two types of cycles that a virus can replicate with, the lytic cycle or the lysogenic cycle. And the main difference between them is going to be how long it takes for someone to start showing symptoms because of the way that the cycle happens. So in the lytic cycle, a virus that is reproducing with the lytic cycle, it will make someone have symptoms pretty quickly. It's a faster cycle. So someone that gets like the flu virus, how it's talking about up here, you generally start seeing symptoms within a couple of days, which we consider fast. So that would be the lytic cycle. The lysogenic cycle, this one's going to be slower. There's basically like a dormant period before someone starts showing any symptoms of being sick with the lysogenic cycle. So it could take weeks, months, years even, with a virus that's going through the lysogenic cycle for someone to show any symptoms. And a good way to remember it is that the word lysogenic is longer, so it takes a longer period of time to see symptoms with this viral replication. Okay, so figure out which answer choice has the number 1 and number 2 box answers correct.